If you have been looking for a simple, easy, and natural way to detoxify and just help your body and put your health first, keep watching this video. I came across this castor oil pack and I'm absolutely in love with it. It's been helping me so much lately. They have a couple different versions, but in this one, it just comes with this right here, the actual things with the strap so that you can strap it on, and it comes with the actual castor oil 100% natural. If you don't know, it has so many different types of benefits. Like I said, it can help with just detoxifying your body. It can help with bloating, inflammation. It can help with your mood and stress. Just so many different benefits. And this is just such a simple way to do this. I'll put this on my stomach, as much castor oil as you feel like you need, and then you go ahead and you want to put the cotton side face down on your stomach, and it has the straps as well so that you can strap it if you feel like you need to get up or walk around or just need it to hold a little better. And then once you're done, you can actually clean this, you can wash it, it's washable, and you can reuse it as many times as you want. I personally do this up to 3 or 4 times a week, so it's really just an amazing way to put my health first, some downtime, for myself, and it only takes 30 minutes to an hour to actually have that done. So it's just really important thing, easy way to put your health first. If you've been thinking about it, go ahead and try it. I promise you won't regret it. This is just like I said, if you've been thinking of a way to put your health first, such a good way to do it, such a good go-to. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Allie, and I hope you have a great day.